to Intermediate Level English Language Arts. Our first topic would be recognizing simple and compound sentences. Alright, so what are the objectives for this lesson? We have three. The first one would be to be able to identify simple and compound sentences. The next is to be able to differentiate simple from compound sentences. And last is to be able to recognize clauses. Okay, so first things first, you guys have to know that there are two common kinds of sentences. Actually, there are many more, but just for now, let's focus on the first two main or two common kinds. We have the simple and the compound. Okay, a simple sentence is a sentence with a subject or subjects connected to a predicate or predicates. Why is it subject or subjects and predicates? Because there are times wherein certain sentences have one or more subjects and one or more predicates. But the thing that you have to understand about simple sentences is that for simple sentences, the subjects or the group of subjects should be connected to the predicate or to the group of predicates. Alright? There should just be one pair. For compound sentences, on the other hand, this is a sentence made up of two or more clauses. Now, what's a clause? A clause is a group of words with a subject and a predicate but do not have a complete thought. Right. So before we move on, right, let's try to understand first what are clauses. There are two different kinds of clauses. We have an independent and a dependent clause. Independent clauses are groups of words that look like simple sentences but do not have a complete thought. They are a part of a much bigger sentence. Example, look at the example over there. The burger was given because he was hungry. The underlined word there, or the underlined phrase there, is the burger was given. Here, we have this group of words with its own subject and its own predicate, but is not a sentence. Why? Because it's part of a much bigger sentence, which is the burger was given because he was hungry. On the other hand, dependent clauses are a group of words that do not give a complete thought because they start with words that mean that there is something connected to it. These words are because, although, since, and many more, right? In the same example in the sentence, right? The burger was given because he was hungry. Here, we have another group of words with a subject and a predicate. He, your subject, and was is your predicate. He was hungry. But then you have the word because. And when you have the word because, it's like there's something connected to it. It's like it's a part of something much bigger. That is a dependent clause. Okay, so here are examples, right? For the simple sentence, we have this is a cute cat. It is a simple sentence. Why? Because you have a subject, this, right? And a predicate, is. The next one, it looks new. We have another subject, its, and your predicate is looks. All connected to just one. This is connected to is, it connects it to looks. Compound sentences, on the other hand, you have a combination again of two. It's like two simple sentences combined together. This is a cute cat, right? That's an independent clause. This is your subject, is your predicate. But then you connect it more to a much bigger sentence. But my cat is cuter. Cat is your subject, is your predicate, right? It's like two simple sentences connected together by the word but. The next one, I brought my car to the car wash. Again, here, I is your subject, brought is your predicate. But then you are connecting it to another one. So it looks new. It is your subject, looks is your predicate. Okay? So you notice the different words that connect like two simple sentences. We have for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. You could remember them by the acronyms F, A, N, B, O, Y, S, or fanboys. Alright? And that ends our topic on recognizing simple and compound sentences.